Have you ever heard of the term artificial intelligence, which is also known as AI, and wondered what makes this AI possible and what makes this AI so smart? Today, I'm going to show you exactly what happens in behind the scenes and what makes this AI, which is the AI we know today. Let's get into the video. Let's start with the first and the most important thing, which is data. Think of data as a fuel to the AI brain. Every picture, every sound, every sentence, every video actually becomes an example for AI to learn from. So it's like a child who learns from the world around it. AI actually learns from millions of information that we feed it. Give it millions of pictures of cat, it will actually recognize how a cat actually looks like. Give it thousands of conversations of people, it will actually understand how people will actually talk. The more data you give to AI and the more varied the data will be, the more capable the AI actually becomes. But the data alone isn't enough. The second and the most important thing is algorithm, where I would like to call it as the AI brain. This algorithm is basically a set of rules that actually tells the AI how to learn, how to improve, and actually how to make sense of the sentences that it gets. But here's the crazy part. AI don't just follow the rules. It actually recognizes patterns on its own. It actually knows what words comes after in a sentence and what shapes actually belongs to a human face and figures out relationships that humans haven't even noticed. And this learning process actually turns a raw data into a intelligence. Now let's talk about something that most people have heard of but have no idea. But it was the reason what made this AI possible, which is parallel computing. So basically parallel computing does all of the tasks all at once, where rather than doing one by one, which actually happens in serial computing. Imagine you have a problem with millions of questions. If you try to solve it, it would like take you years. So you would like solve this problem with the help of numerous other people. That exactly what parallel computing is. So instead of using one big brain, which is a CPU, AI actually uses multiple small brains, which is GPU and TPU, where GPU is basically graphical processing unit and TPU is basically tensor processing unit. So basically with the help of these two special processors, AI actually perform calculations all at once. So if you want to train an AI model without parallel computing, it would like take you decades. But with the help of this concept known as parallel computing, it would like take you days or even hours to train an AI model. So next time when someone says AI is powerful, it is because AI does everything at once, not one by one. But wait, where does all this computing actually happens? Certainly not in your phone or laptop, right? So basically AI is trained in huge data centers, warehouses where thousands of GPUs and TPUs run day and night. And also cloud platforms like GCP, which is Google Cloud Platform, AWS, Amazon Web Services, and Microsoft Azure comes, where these actually provide the infrastructure, hardware, and the cooling required to actually train the AI model. So it's like a gym where AI goes to build its strength. Once the AI model is created, we can actually interact with it online. Whether it's voice assistants, chat assistants, or even tools that actually generates images and videos. Finally, even with all this technology, AI still needs one more important thing, which is human. Human actually guide the training, set examples, fine-tune responses, and also set the rules of AI where it should and shouldn't do. AI is powerful for sure, but it doesn't run wild. It actually guides and shapes people at every step. Like the CEO of Google, Sundar Pichai, once said, AI is one of the most important things humanity is working on, but it's still a tool, and just like every other tool, it needs human direction. So the next time when someone says AI is magic, you know exactly what the magic trick is. Data plus algorithm plus parallel computing plus cloud plus human guidance. That's what actually powers the AI, and I hope you learned something new from this video. With that, my name is Nikhil. See you in another video. Till then, signing off.